We like beginning and especially we like ends.
Yes, we do.
You guys, it's almost December. We're almost done.
Yeah, my Christmas tree is still in its box though.
Mine
I
is.
need to get a Christmas tree.
Mine will stay in the box for a while.
I have Thanksgiving up still, so I'm gonna wait a minute.
It's a good idea.
I actually skipped Thanksgiving and just put up Gilmore Girls.
Yeah. Okay, number 1 is true for some people. Number 2 is true. Then number 7. Nope, not number 7. It says for the next 7 questions, please use the following information. A public opinion poll surveyed a simple random sample of 1,000 voters. Respondents were classified by gender, female or male, and by voting preference, Republican, Democrat, or Independent. The results are presented here. Female, male, Republican, Democrat, Independent, total. In this set of questions, we will explore the research questions. Do men's voting preferences differ significantly from women's voting preferences? Use a level of significance of 0.05. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? Is it the last one, gender and voting preferences?
I think it's the last one.
The last one? So
Is the last one and the first one
I
different?
think.
The first one, it says that they are not independent, is the null hypothesis. And
I see. Okay.
are independent, usually should be the other way around.
Right. Mm-hmm.
That's a good question though.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I can answer the next one.
Okay.
It's asking what is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? And that calculation is number of rows minus 1 times by the number of columns minus 1.
Nice.
Yeah.
I got that one too.
Number 3.
Calculator.
Okay.
Wait, sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
So the number 4
Yes.
is number of rows minus 1 times by the number of columns minus 1.
Okay. Yes.
What are rows and columns? Are rows the gender, the female and male? Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So it'd be 1 times by 2, which is 2.
Okay, so number 6, I'll read it. Are the requirements for conducting it's a chi-square, right? Chi-square test for independence met by this data set? And I can't remember. I actually understood when I was reading it too, so.
So the requirements are you must use a simple random sample to obtain a sample from a single population. And number 2 is each expected count must be greater or equal to 5.
Okay.
So answer 1.
Next time he calls you, say
Yes, there are at least 5 expected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an emergency.
I'm ready to sell the company tonight just because I'm sick of stuff like that. Like, let's sell it and live off of the 50 or 60 grand that we make off it until we start a new company. We'll do FCSS programs. We'll do marital counseling. We'll open a practice. We'll open a restaurant. We'll do anything besides cleaning up people's puke and vomit and having them call us at 9:30 at night.
Yeah.
Have we answered number 5 yet?
Number 5, yeah, the answer was 2 because it was 1 times by 2.
Okay.
So number 7 is what we're on, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
How do we find, you said it was chi squared?
So I can read the instructions from the lesson.
Well, where is
that what-
where is the instructions? That's what I'm just looking for. I
For
can't
the
remember.
SPSS.
Yeah, so it's
Just the
if you
SPSS
scroll down to maybe
instructions.
middle of the page, it has SPS instructions, but it's the second version of that.
Okay. And then it gives you.
Yeah, so it's like the first instruction is click on data and then click on weight cases.
Yeah.
Select. Okay. I'm with you.
Oh, my computer's not pulling up SPSS.
Uh-oh.
But it's not. The chiropractor one is not the one we're working on right now, right? So we'd have to actually manually put it in SPSS.
No, there's a new oh. I think it is the chiropractor one because that's what had us pull up.
Well, the one we're working on right now is the public opinion poll. Surveyed a simple random sample of 1,000 voters about Republican, Democrat, and Independent.
Oh, that was done before. Okay. So I guess we do need to.
My SPSS isn't pulling up. Like I got it pulled up, but now it's not working. I don't know where it is.
I had to shut mine down, and then it's now gonna take forever to restart. So sorry, guys.
My whole thing is just so slow. Something with my computer.
Okay, so if someone wants to read me the data, I can add it in here.
Yeah, I can do that. So female Republican is 250.
Hold on, let me get the female. Okay, 250 for female Republican.
Okay. 200 for a male Republican. And then 450 for the column total. 300 for female Democrat. $150 for male Democrat. And $450 for the column total. And then we've got 50 for a female independent, 50 for a male independent, and 100 column total. And then 600 for the total of females, 400 for the total of males, and 1,000 for the total of everybody.
So this is what I have looking. Does that look right to everyone?
So I can't pull up. There's something wrong with my computer, and I accidentally minimized this Google Hangout screen, and I can't get it back up. So I can't see you guys
I've
at
done
all.
that before.
And there's something like it won't let me pull it up. That's why it wouldn't let me pull up SPSS. And so I minimized my Google Hangout screen to pull up SPSS, and now I can't get back to you guys.
Okay. Let me just see if this will go the way we want it to.
Sounds good.
So what would we move over into the weight cases? Is it
For the weight cases.
We would want
After rating the cases, you are ready to conduct the hypothesis.
I want to say we would want, I don't know, because they do the count, like in the lesson, it says do the count, which is easy because that's the only numbers, but they have quite a few rows and columns with numbers.
Did anyone watch the video of him doing it yet?
I started watching the video, but I didn't finish the video.
so I have a feeling that it's just the totals, like
The column total.
yeah.
This is really bugging me. This lesson isn't going as fast as yesterday's lesson.
Yeah.
I was hoping it would.
All right. Okay, guys. Sorry. I am fully back. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it through Excel. I hope that doesn't confuse people.
Well, can you do it with that much on Excel? Because it's only a 2-sample z-test on the Excel, right?
Well, it said, because it gave Excel instructions to do the same thing, right?
I can't remember. Was it on the videos? Because I don't watch the videos, but I don't see anything in the notes about the Excel.
So it's right above SPSS. It's in Excel sheet, categorical data analysis. Go to the third tab on the file. This tab is entitled Chi-Square, or Chi-Square. Will allow you to perform tests for independence.
You see that on today's homework?
Yeah, I
Like
don't see
today's
that.
textbook?
Yeah.
You said it was above
Could
the
you tell us where that
SPSS?
is again? Because I haven't seen that.
Yeah.
So
I don't see
right
it.
above SPSS instructions.
Which one? The first one? The second one? Because
Oh, it's the first one.
okay. So right above it, like the line right above it, or
It's in a box.
I don't see a box. I see the motivation box that has the information, but it doesn't have any Excel thing.
So right underneath the motivation box. It's between SPSS and Excel. It's just small.
I have
So
no
the
box.
thing that mine says, it says the research question has whether people's motivation is for seeking chiropractic care of independent is their location, Europe, Asia, or United States. The hypothesis tested and addressed in this question is the chi-square test independence. Recall that the Greek letter is chi.
Yeah.
But there is no box with a.
Yeah, I don't see any box either.
That's so weird.
Can you share your screen with us and show us?
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know why my screen share never works with you guys. I got it. Okay. Okay. Right there.
Yeah, that's weird. Because where's the SPSS one? Yeah, I see your motivation.
It's right there.
That's weird. Because we don't have that at all.
I guess I got the teacher's book. Just kidding. And then there's more Excel instructions underneath it. After entering the data correctly into the chi-square statistic degrees of freedom.
Huh. That is weird.
Okay, Gabby, you're in charge of that part then.
Well, okay.
Yeah, like,
Because mine looks nothing like that. Mine probably looks just like Miranda's.
yep.
That's so weird. Why?
I don't know, so it's less than 19, right?
Yeah.
It's weird.
Okay, I'm going to try it. Here we go. Okay. So you guys are still on number 7, right?
Yep.
Okay. Tab same way as the table data in the following manner on Excel sheet.
Where did you get that chi-square sheet? Is it the same?
It's in categorical data analysis, and it's the third one over.
Mine says version.
Yeah, so does mine. What is
Me
wrong
too.
with
Wait,
it?
can you see this? Am I still sharing my screen?
Yeah, you're still sharing your screen and we
Okay.
can see it, but why do people hate us?
Well, I'm just blessed, I guess. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you are.
That's not cool.
It isn't. Like, where do we have that? I don't even have that link at all.
Look at that.
What browser are you using, Gabby?
Firefox.
You have a Mac, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Me too.
Are you saying what she's saying, Jeremy?
No, sir.
So Gabby is
Help me
just
too.
a people person that gets all of the things.
All the things.
That's what they're called, things.
Okay, and then this doesn't exist.
That makes life so much easier, but why don't we have that?
Wait, did I do it? I don't even know. Yeah, I did. That's it.
Kate,
Okay, the test is. Oh my gosh. The test statistic is. Is it the 16.204?
looks like that's what it is.
Okay,
That's what your Excel spreadsheet says, right?
that is what my Excel spreadsheet says.
And the p-value is 0.0028. Is that what you have?
Mm-hmm.
003. Cool. So there's insufficient, or there is sufficient funds to
Yes.
number A. Number A. Oh gosh.
Okay.
Wait, we're doing the first one on number 9?
Yes.
Okay.
Number A.
Number A.
It's gonna be number A.
I'm pulling up in Firefox to see if by chance
That's
the browser.
Well, I have it on Google Chrome. Like mostly Google Chrome and Firefox are the same, but maybe not. Does it give you a new
I'm kind
link?
of upset though, I won't lie.
Oh, I am too. Does it give you a new link to the Excel spreadsheet in the lesson? Or is it the same link? that
Yeah,
you
it's
got?
in the lesson. It's right here.
Oh, in the Excel spreadsheet.
Okay, so I'm going to show you from the very top. So here it is.
Keep talking so we can see it all.
And then
Scroll.
past that little guy.
Keep talking.
And then, yeah, so right underneath the motivation table, it's right here.
Yep, that's not what we have.
Really?
Emma, is that what you found on Firefox?
I'm not there yet. I'm just pulling it up right now.
Okay. This is what I have. Hold on. Ah. This is what my thing looks like. Starting from here. Da 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 da. Oh look, there's the motivation thing.
I do have it on Firefox.
What?
Just browser pride, man.
That's so stupid because I'm not downloading Firefox on my computer. I hate Firefox. Can someone just email me that new Excel spreadsheet?
Yeah.
That would
Wait,
be awesome.
okay. How do I take this off?
Stop screen sharing.
Okay.
Something.
Okay. All right. Do you want me to email it to you right now?
Yeah. if
Could you
wanna
send it to all of us just in
send it out
case?
to all of us? Yeah.
Yes.
When you say all of us, can you send it to me too, please?
Of course.
That's what all of us meant, Jeremy. We're not
I
leaving
actually-
you out.
I can't actually even see the screen sharing that you got going on here.
Okay.
because Firefox might be working for you there, but it doesn't actually work for my Google Hangouts to see you. Something about bandwidth now.
That's stupid.
Yeah, it's really annoying.
I ended up just logging into a new browser because I couldn't pull up the other one. So now I can see you guys.
I wonder if the instructor knows that we don't have that.
She will in.
Well, she will now.
Once she listens to this.
She better watch this for the other kids that have to do this in 2 days.
She should probably watch it in a week or so. Well,
Okay, so I'm going to read question number 10.
Sent.
Oh.
Y'all.
thank you.
Thank you. So it says, in this set of questions, we will review the reasons for seeking chiropractic care, study from the reading with modified data. Please use the data represented here for the next 5 questions. The data are also recorded in chiropractor.save. The researcher question for this study is, do people in Europe, Australia, and the United States seek chiropractic care for the same reasons? Use significance level of alpha equals 0.05. The hypothesis for this study are the null hypothesis is location and motivation to visit chiropractor are independent. The alternative hypothesis is location and the motivation to visit chiropractor are not independent. The conditions for conducting chi-square test independence are satisfied.
Nice. I'm just pulling up the new Excel that has the.
I'm inputting the information. $64, $82, $111.
We basically just put everything in this columns, in the columns 3, 4, and 5.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 1, 2, and 3, or 4. And
All
you also
right.
put the total. Okay.
So everything's in there now. These data are also recorded. Okay. Do I need to change? Oops. Cool.
Can someone show me what theirs looks like when they're done inputting that?
Yeah. Here, I'll show you.
I'm still inputting it as well, so. Un momento.
Yep. So this is what I've got right now.
Keep talking.
Yeah. So
So you don't put the
the
totals
test
in.
statistic. What was that?
You don't put the totals in at the bottom?
No, because it already has a place where it calculates that.
Okay. And you don't put the total in rows either, or in columns. So
The thing I'm a little bit nervous about using this is, I mean, is it always going to be set to a certain, what am I trying to say? The significance level of 0.05.
Possibly. I don't know. Most of the time, the significance level is
Is
0.05.
0.05. Okay. I just want to make sure like that's not going to change or need to change, and then I'm going to be like, I don't know what I'm doing.
So basically, you just put in that information, and then you get the test statistic and the p-value and everything.
Mm-hmm.
That's really easy.
Yeah.
It's super nice.
So what are the degrees of, wait, did we go over 10?
No, we did not.
Okay. The conditions for for conducting a chi-square test for independence are satisfied.
It looks like they're satisfied,
True,
right?
right?
Yeah. Looks
Yeah.
like it's satisfied to me.
0.5 in the, yeah. There's more than 3. Okay. What are the degrees of freedom for this problem? 8?
Yes.
I also got 8. So I used your new spreadsheet. Just make sure I know what I'm doing here. So you put your Europe as column 1, Australia column 2, and United States column 3. You just inputted that data. Then degrees of freedom 8. That's how you got that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Brilliant.
Yeah. Yeah. Super easy, right?
Yeah. If you have the spreadsheet, it is.
That is true. Okay.
We had the instructions for the spreadsheet. I'm glad we have Gab.
Well, I was like, this sounds so much easier on Excel. Why are we using SPSS?
Well, if we had
Okay.
the instructions, we could have
That's true.
done it a lot easier.
Okay, so what is the value of the chi-square test? Wait, yeah, for this problem.
And is that 7.436?
I think so. The chi-square is the same as the test statistic, right?
Yeah.
P-value 0.490.
Okay, we missed one question, or at least I did.
Which one?
Number 8.
Number 8.
And I put 0.003.
So it's, yeah, that's what it would have been rounded, right? Round to 3 decimal, 0.0028.
What did we say for 14?
I put B. What'd you put?
Wait, you
I
put
had
A?
B as well.
Oh, B.
B for Barwick.
So with number 8, I mean, why would it not be 0.003?
I don't know. Let me Oh, do you know what? Let's see. If I can. I think like when you sent it over, you did have the totals in as well.
Mm-hmm. Oh, did I?
Yeah, so I think that could have been why. Let's see. 200, 150, 50, 50.
Yeah, I think I did too.
Okay, so try for number 8. Try doing. Let's see. P-value 0.000, just 0 for 8, basically. Whose phone's ringing?
It's mine.
Nice. So I think 8 is 0.
Just 0?
Well,
Like-
0.0000, but you could also put just 0, and I'm sure it will get you right. Get you the right
Okay.
answer.
I'm going to try it. It's correct.
So 8 equals 0.000.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
Nice.
Yay! So, I mean, this wasn't so bad.